In this video, I'll show you how to do the knit stitch. This is called the knit stitch over here, from here to here. So, as each of those stitches is a loop, I will show you first how it looks on your fingers. When you do the knit stitch, your needle goes from left to right, like this. To begin, I'm gonna wrap the yarn around my left fingers. And I'm gonna stack the needle from left to right, wrap the yarn from the middle, take it to the front, and slip the stitch. Again, from left to right, wrap the yarn from the middle, and take it to the front. So when we do the purl stitch, the thread is on the front, and when we do the knit stitch, the thread should be on the back of the needles. Again, from left to right, wrap the yarn between the hook, between the needle, and take it to the front and release the stitch. Left to right, take the yarn from the back, put it in the middle, take it to the front, and release the stitch. And this is how to do the knit stitch. Thank you for watching.